Hi and welcome to Midlife Crisis. How are you today? We'd like to inform you in this vlog about properties that we had visited and viewed and uploaded. Those have now had to be put to private. We will give links in the description below to the agents who did handle them so you can view them via those links. Also in the video, you will see us staying in Hotel Chateau de Belmesnil in Normandy. In the video you can see the chateau built with brick and stone. This type of architecture both me and Lick like. The property was built in 1791. If we go further down until 1967, the estate was sold to College de Andele, which would receive around 3,000 students over 10 years before closing down. For 20 years, the castle will remain unoccupied and it will be heavily degraded by squatters, by water, insects, dry rot, and other fungi. Its abandoned park of 150 hectares and the castle were then taken over in 1996 by the great-granddaughter of the builder of the castle, Catherine, and her husband Anthony Martin Len. This gives hope to chateaus that had been neglected and left to ruin and taken over by squatters, that with determination these beautiful properties can be brought back to life.
This is where we drove in here, and if you walk back, our hut is the second one. No one here, is quite empty, only us in the hut. But we like the hut because the chateau yesterday came and we want to, the dog like it better when we stay outside the chateau. So we're gonna go ahead and look. It's cold. Luckily we have to buy a jacket and scarf because the weather is changing very quickly. And here is the old tennis court, which is never used anymore. The agent said that tennis court used to be very popular, 30 years ago. So everybody who has Chateau put them on. But now everybody wants the pool. Not anymore. The tennis court. This chateau is very beautiful. It have a big, really nice setting. It's set away from the main road and country road. It's not. You have to turn in from the country road quite long before get into the gate of the chateau. So it's really quiet. Chateau like this, location like this is what we want, but it's not easy to find. It's quite rare. And what you see that is left on the internet for sale, they left there for a reason. And that is the gate. And that's the drive. This is Normandy for you. You see the scenery is beautiful. The mountain, the hill, the greeniness. And that is the chateau. We're going there. I could have walked cut through the grass to meet Johan and the dogs. Let's see. Let's walk here. Look at that. that's the driveway. There. We are walking towards the chateau now to have breakfast. We came here, it's late, so the reception is closed already. But there is a couple who take care of the house. The guardians, a couple, man and woman, live on the guardhouse by the gate. He do all the works like the maintenance and everything. And look at that! Who is that coming? Hi, Marty! Hi, Marty! Hi, Marty! Hi, Marty! Goody Papa! Marty, goody Papa! Goody Papa! Goody Papa! Hi, Nobi! Oh, yeah. Goody Papa, Nobi! Marty! Chateau! They love you.
Yeah, I love it.
Hi, Nobi, did you like it? Smiley dog. Let's go and have breakfast now. Oh, look. Is that pheasant? Yeah. It sounds like pheasant, right? Oh, chicken? Oh, yeah, they have geese.
You can see on the balcony up here where we eat.
Yeah. The ground is beautiful here.
Yeah.
And it's well maintained. It's only a couple and a woman and husband who do everything around the chateau.
Oh, they do it very good.
And he take care of it really well. That's the guardian house on the left there, you see. By the gate there.
Money.
Now there, let me zoom it for you. That is. That's the guardian house. The chateau is big, but from the camera, because I use the what's it called, this mode, the 3 one, zoom.
Zoom. Extra zoom.
Extra zoom one, so you will not notice so much that it's big, but it is big because we've been looking like Le Fortis. Look at the dog. Where are we going?
I think these animals are living underground.
Yeah, I have quite a lot of problem with it. Look at it.
They usually put this in the ground, same as we.
Dynamite.
No, and it makes a noise, and it deters them from coming up in there. But of course, the land's so big, so it's difficult.
People actually working on this, so it's very good. They really work on the ground really well. My feet are all wet now.
Yeah, mine too.
Have to change shoes.
I think they've been watering the grass because very wet only here.
Yeah.
I just realized, look,
Me
when I walk.
all wet.
Yeah. And we don't have a head right. I don't have to dry the shoes.
Oh, I had to change shoes.
Come on, Manny. You stay up here with your friends.
Where, friend?
I don't know.
Hi, Nobi.
What are you saying, guys? You want to stay
Hey,
which side?
Manny.
You want to be in this side?
In the shade. This one.
They will not run away and they lose it.
You think so?
I don't think they'll.
Put it on the pillars there.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. We go in.
No, man.
Camera video. What's that?
Oh, I think they mean a camera video. What's
Ah, okay. So you mean not allowed. Beautiful. This is the That is
Hello.
breakfast.
Morning. Yes, I'm good.
You had a good night?
Yes.
I'm going to meet. Nice to meet you. Sorry for this today.
Oh, it's okay.
And then when you were here,
Yes.
but it was you with their clothes and.
This is our breakfast. Look at it. Guys, it's amazing place. Recommend this place. Everybody should come here. Let's see what we have here. Oh wow. Nobita Mari already exciting.
Yeah.
And that's the view out in of the chateau. See that? Amazing place. I recommend you guys come here and stay. Really nice, very clean, very professional. Okay. Come on, she's so nice. Merci, madame.
Merci.
Everything okay?
Yes.
Very good, thank
I
you.
come back later to pay. What time is checkout?
Maximum if it's before 11, if it's possible.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Beautiful, oh my gosh. Beautiful. The fireplace. Yeah. Mari, you see fog? Oh, wow. Look at the color and the ceiling. The fireplace and the window.